Behind the scenes lang tayo. This is how we do it. And so papansin nyo, medyo picture muna video and everything.
Summerland in the house.
So ayun guys, update ko lang kayo dito sa location ng ating coffee shop dito po sa Marisol. So actually it's along Maria Soledad Avenue, corner Princeton. So dito makikita nyo, napakalaki ng building. Marami din silang spaces for parking. So don't worry about your vehicle. I think almost ready na yung table natin. So let's get ready and tignan natin. Ito actually yung favorite ni Ma'am Marilyn. Ayun. Okay, so this is our table. Once again, thank you so much, Coffee Spot, for being such a generous, solid, no? Ang dami niyang inihinda para sa atin. Let us show you guys, or let us name yung mga naalala natin ng mga dishes. So, in front of me, ayan, so ito yung ating porterhouse steak. Yung sa'yo naman ay ang...
Grilled yan po.
Ang laki niya. Kaya Ma'am Marilyn, yung kanyang...
Baby back ribs.
Baby back ribs. So aside from that, meron tayo ditong bacon wrap shrimps or prawns. Meron din tayong salad, nachos, clubhouse. Sa mga desserts naman natin, meron tayong tiramisu. Ayan, this is a Nutella croissant. This is a Biscoff cheesecake.
And their famous Yuji matcha.
Wow! In front of you naman, meron tayong mga croffle at saka apple crumble.
Galing mo sa memory, ah.
Yes! Ayun guys, so ikot tayo ng konti dito po sa kanilang dining area. Actually, medyo meron na akong pagkainggit kasi napakaganda at napakalaki ng kanilang dining area. As many as over 100 seats pwede po niyong i-occupy dito. So this is the place. Actually, meron siyang isa pang, I mean, the entire place is enclosed and air-conditioned. Pero within it, meron pa tayong room dito which is fit for siguro mas secluded na event if you're gonna have that in this place. So, ayun po. Meron silang section for, you know, groups, for couples, and even this parang mga sofa type na na mga seats natin dito. So, this is a great spot for a coffee spot. Grabe. Grabe, busog pa rin ako.
Ako din, no?
Ako din pa.
Anyway, so again guys, we would like to thank Coffee Spot for inviting us. Before we get into our desserts, let me mention po na meron po silang available dito for those who are looking mga dormitory rooms,
yes,
especially mga students. Ayan po, so dito po yung I think second level and up natin.
Yeah. So, meron silang solo, meron silang pang duo, meron din silang pang 4. Starting price is 4-5 per head.
Yes.
Meron ka ng sleeping space doon sa taas. At nung nakita natin, what can you say, napakaganda, no?
Para silang staycation actually. Para silang
malinis.
rooms sa mga hotels. So you can actually pick then or choose kung anong room type yung gusto mo. If it's shared or if it's parang good for two, mga ganyan. Anyway, so ito po, makikita nyo po mga videos natin doon sa dorm.
Dito sa coffee spot, meron na silang coffee shop sa baba, meron pang mga dishes, meron pang soma coffee, lahat ng kailangan. What more pa doon sa taas?
Well, speaking of blessed, ayan, tanungin natin si Ma'am Marlene, ano yung mga nagustuhan mo sa kinain natin?
Yung baby back ribs.
Oh, wow.
At saka yung matcha pudding.
Yes,
okay.
Sabi ni Ma'am Marlene kanina, yung matcha pudding na kinain niya, terno na yung...
Terno na.
Ternong-terno yung sa taas at sa baba.
Parang may coffee ka na, may drinks ka na, may dessert ka.
Yeah.
2-in-1 siya.
Correct.
2-in-1, no?
Correct.
Ako tinatanong mo, yung ulam nating tatlo.
Yung ulam natin, no?
Mo lahat.
Ulam. Yung dishes natin.
Yeah.
Yung apat na dishes na hinanda nila. Even yung yung prawns, yung
Oh, yeah.
May
That's also good.
bacon.
So, yung alam mo yung pagsama-samay mo lahat at tikman mo ng isang beses, ayun, napakasarap.
Alright. So yun guys, we're gonna enjoy our dessert. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here and at the next video.
Thank you!
Bye guys!
Don't worry about the parking!